Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video about Funnel X ROI and their first income stream, which we'll get into in a moment. But first, if you want to continue to watch videos from me, just click the subscribe button below this video and also click the bell next to it so you can receive updates for when I make another video. Now, the first income stream in Funnel X ROI, once you become a member and you sign up under me, is called Easy1Up. And this is a 100% commission-based program, okay? And in this Easy1Up, you learn all about how to start and build an online business. In internet marketing, it could be affiliate marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, setting up your own like Shopify site or becoming an Amazon affiliate. So there's several different packages here that you can pay for, and it goes from the lowest level, which is called Elevation, which is only $25, all the way to Vertex Live, which is $2,000. Now, there are several training modules that you get with each one of these packages. Okay, the more the higher package you go, the more training you get. So, for example, with the lowest level Elevation, it's only $25. And you receive video training on network marketing and affiliate Kickstarter video series. The next level is Elevation Elite, which is $100. You get free marketing cash generation video series. Vertex is $250. You get the Advanced Digital Business video series, where you learn all about how to create an irresistible offer, getting started in your home-based business, creating your wedding mindset, list building, traffic secrets revealed, email relationship mastery, affiliate marketing survival, how to launch a product, and how to build profitable relationships with JV partners. And don't worry if you don't know what some of these terms mean. If you're a beginner, a newbie, they'll explain all of this in these videos. Vertex Elite is the next level, which is $500. This you learn about drop shipping and zero-cost traffic, and you also receive videos on 50 non-stop traffic methods, along with the Money Counts Live Business Building course, parts 1 and 2. Next is Vertex Pro, which is $1,000. Here you learn about all types of social media advertising, social media marketing, creating video sales funnels, using free ads, traffic exchanges, how to create membership sites, Snapchat marketing, social media domination, Reddit marketing, LinkedIn basics, Instagram marketing, Google Hangouts, general traffic techniques, Facebook remarketing, Facebook ads made easy, email marketing business, and how to create authority with your own blog. So lots of good information in here. Internet marketing business models also. And the last level, Vertex Live, is $2,000. Again, you get more information on dropshipping, the complete internet marketing strategy, digital marketing lifestyle, Amazon affiliate profits, more internet marketing for business people, content marketing blueprint. You learn about CPA marketing, which is another kind of affiliate marketing. And also, all Vertex Elite members get 2 entry tickets to the event of their choosing. The tickets are for one event only, and members may come to additional events for $295 per person. So that's why that's called Vertex Live. So how do you make money with Easy1Up? Well, depending on which level you join at, I'll just use myself as an example. I'm at the Vertex Pro level, which is $1,000. That's how much I paid to get into Easy1Up. Now, because I'm at the Vertex Pro level, not only do I get access to the products inside of Vertex Pro, I also get access to all of the products on the lower levels below Vertex Pro. So I get access to Vertex Elite, Vertex, Elevation Elite, and Elevation. I don't have to pay the $25, $100, $250, and $500 to get access to those products. Because I paid the $1,000 for Vertex Pro, I get free access to all of these other products. And not only that, I also am eligible to receive commissions from Vertex Pro, Vertex Elite, Vertex, Elevation Elite, and Elevation. Okay, so for you, as an example, if you come in at the $250 level, which is Vertex, you get access to these products for Vertex, but you also get access to the products for Elevation Elite and Elevation. You become eligible to receive commissions at the Vertex level, Elevation Elite, and Elevation. Okay, so on the flip side, if you sponsor somebody into Easy1Up and they decide to come in, you're at the Vertex $250 level, but the person you signed up on into Easy1Up decided to come in at the $500 level, which is Vertex Elite, you do not get that commission. And the reason you don't get that commission is because you're not at this level yet. Okay, so this commission of $500, instead of going to you, will go to your sponsor. Okay, and that will happen for anyone that you sign up and they come in at a higher level than you. Their commissions will go to your sponsor instead of you. So that's why it's important to make sure that you position yourself at the highest level possible. And I don't want you to go into debt in order to do that. Whatever you can afford. If you can afford $500, that's great. If you can afford $1,000, that's even better. Again, using myself as an example, I'm at the $1,000 level. I am not at the Vertex Live $2,000 level yet. I will be at some point, but not right now. So if I happen to, sign up somebody into Easy1Up and they buy the Vertex Live $2,000 product, I'm not going to get that commission. That commission is going to go to my sponsor, and that'll really suck. But that's the chance I take by not going all in. So, but if you can afford Vertex Pro, $1,000, or Vertex Elite, $500, that's great. If you can only afford Vertex, which is $250, that's fine too. Whatever you can afford, even if it's the $100 level, which is Elevation Elite, you still can come in at the $25 level. But again, if you only come in at $25, that's the only commission you'll be eligible to receive when you bring somebody in. So most people, when they sign up and they purchase a product, they're going to go to at least the $100 and above level. Okay, a few people will sign up at the $25 level, but in order to make the larger commissions, you want to be at least at $250, $500, or $1,000. Okay, so that's basically it as far as Easy1Up. Again, when you get on this page for Easy1Up, make sure that you watch this video, because there's some more information about how the pass up happens. I haven't talked about that, where you pass up just one of your commissions. It's your second commission at the level that you came in under. Let me explain that real quick. I'm at the $1,000 level. The first person that I sign up who comes in at $1,000, I keep that commission. And the second person who comes in and buys the $1,000 product, that second commission goes to my sponsor. The third person who signs up for Vertex Pro and pays $1,000, I keep that commission. So the third commission on, I keep. The first commission I keep, the second commission goes to my sponsor, and the third commission after goes to me. I don't pass up any more commissions after that second commission at this Vertex Pro level. Okay? So, and that will be the same for you. Let's say you come in at $250. First Vertex $250 person you bring in goes to you. The second person who signs up at the Vertex level at $250 goes to me. And the third person on who sign up at Vertex for $250 goes to you. It stays with you. Okay, so that's pretty much how that works. And you're going to make most of your commissions, the higher commissions, the most amount of money will be made with Easy1Up within this Funnel X ROI system. You'll be getting commissions from these other income streams when people sign up with them, but the most money is going to be made from Easy1Up because of these big ticket commissions of $250, $500, and $1,000 and $2,000. Okay, so it's very lucrative, very lucrative. So if you're ready to get started with Funnel X ROI and you want to get some more information about it, just click the link below this video. It's the very first link. Click on it, enter your email address, and you'll get more information about Funnel X ROI, and then you can get started today. Once you activate your Funnel X ROI system, this is the page you land on, and you want to watch this video first and then go through configuring your funnel system. And yeah, and make sure you watch this 509% ROI case study where David Deacle right here made a 509% return on investment using this system. And then once you finish watching these videos, just click on continue to next step, and it'll walk you through setting up all of your income streams so you can start making money. Okay, again, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.